Okay, I have a furnace here that was not giving heat at all now, but you can see now it is the lights are on. Before, nothing was going on. Problem with this, it was blowing fuses in the fuse box too. Problem with this was there are sensors. There's a 120 volt circuit for the control module and the transformer, and there's a 24 volt circuit on the other side of the transformer that's connected to the sensors, including the gate valves, the zone valves, I should say. Anyhow, if you look at this schematic, you can see the top here has a 120 volt circuit, and the transformer on the bottom has the sensors on a 24 volt circuit. The transformer had blown out and stopped all the sensors from working. He wasn't sure why the transformer was an issue. As soon as he replaced the transformer, and the system still would shut off, and those lights would just go dark. So what he did is he put his hands on each of these valves. The valves are as hot as the water that's going through them now, but before the hot water was going through them, this valve was cool to the touch, this valve was very hot to the touch, and this one was also hot to the touch with lukewarm water going through. So he replaced this zone valve and this zone valve and left this one alone. And when he did that, the furnace stays on now. So, I had a, long story short, I had a bad transformer that was being blown out by the zone valves. And I certainly didn't have the parts to fix it. The furnace people took care of it.